In the past, crane control systems relied on skilled engineers. Each panel was a unique puzzle, demanding expertise and time. Now, Intellicrane company has released a smarter, more standardized crane intelligent electrical control system based on more than 20 years of electrical system design capabilities. Crane Intelligent Electrical Control System using standardized design and digital production, effectively reducing the difficulty of equipment maintenance engineers to interpret and manage the schematic diagrams, so that new electrical engineers can still comfortably cope with maintenance problems. When the electrical control system adopts standardized design, the schematic and component differences based on individual work will be greatly reduced in the design stage, greatly enhancing the stability of the product. Standardized design collaborates with digital production, resulting in better production quality and delivery cycles for intelligent electrical control systems for cranes.